Okay, now let's talk about downspouts, about the parts, the pieces, and how to properly put them together. All right, now at Berger, we're going to have elbows pre-made, 90-degree angles and 45-degree angles. Should fit any project that you have. Now we've got a piece of downspout here cut in between. Obviously the length will be determined by how large your overhang is. Also, we want to anchor these pieces together. All right, so for this example, we've got zip screws in here. You can use rivets as well. Now, one thing you do not want to do is to use an inch screw or longer. What happens if you do that, the screw protrudes inside. It could catch debris as it's trying to get through the downspout, eventually possibly clog, okay? So make sure you're using either the 1/4-inch zip screws or a rivet. Also, the way that these go into each other, this elbow goes into this. This piece of downspout goes into this elbow. We want to layer them by the way that the water is flowing, okay? Now, we also want to make sure we're anchoring all this into the building, okay? It's going to be full of snow, debris. If it's not anchored to the building, it could come dislodged. So for this example, we're using a strap anchor. The strap anchor is nothing more than that. It's just a strap, all right, that we attach to the downspout. We then attach to the facility. Now, there's an alternate method, which would be a rack and key system. So the rack would get anchored to the back side of the downspout. This would be a hidden anchoring system. You're not going to see it, okay? Now, this piece is the drive that literally drives into the facility. Now, the drives come in different materials depending on what you're anchoring into, whether it be brick, stucco, siding, okay? Now, the key, this piece slides down in that holds it all nice and tight, okay? So this would be a concealed anchoring system. The strap would be an exposed anchoring system.